Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Orange Grove District in Burnt Savanna, St. Elizabeth. This beautiful home awaits a new family to make new wonderful memories. The home consists of 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, a living room, a kitchen with solid hardwood cabinets, and a dining room. To the rear of the home, you will find a large laundry room and a patio area for the cool sundown relaxation. Situated on 1/3 acre of land, it will facilitate expansion opportunities as desired. It is also already piped with water and electric for a second-story addition to accommodate a further 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and a balcony to enjoy those picturesque sunset mountain views. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 170,000 or Jamaican $26.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.